Here's an overview of Canada. Globe Basic Facts Location. Northern North America, stretching from the Atlantic Ocean in the east to the Pacific Ocean in the west and northward into the Arctic Ocean. Capital, Ottawa. Largest city, Toronto. Official languages, English and French. Population, about 40 million, 2024 estimate. Currency, Canadian dollar, CAD. National park. Geography. Size, second largest country in the world by area, after Russia. Landscape, includes mountains, Rockies, forests, prairies, lakes, over 2 million, and Arctic tundra. Famous natural wonders, Niagara Falls, Banff National Park, Northern Lights in the Yukon and Northwest Territories. Classical building. Government type, federal parliamentary democracy and constitutional monarchy. Monarch, King Charles III, as of 2024, Prime Minister, Justin Trudeau, Liberal Party, as of 2024, provinces and territories, 10 provinces and 3 territories. People holding hands. Culture. Diversity.